Now to our other big story tonight. Erie County officials are warning people about a new batch of heroin. It could prevent life-saving drugs like Narcan and naloxone from working. Some first responders in the Rochester area say they've seen cases where it's taken 6 doses of the usual Narcan amount to save someone's life. News 4's Rachel Monjovi joins us live with more on this new mixture. Rachel?
Yeah, Nalina, the Erie County Medical Examiner's Office says the heroin epidemic is killing more people than ever. With this new synthetic drug, that number could increase, especially if the life-saving overdose drug doesn't work.
This agrofentanyl is a fentanyl derivative, and unfortunately, it is a very, very potent fentanyl derivative.
The Erie County Department of Health is on high alert for a possible deadly drug.
HIDA had sent us an email to alert us that this product was close to us, geographically close to us.
A strain of fentanyl is being laced with heroin, and the result is so strong, patients may not be able to respond to the life-saving overdose drug Narcan.
This is very concerning that people may not respond to the naloxone when they're out in the field being resuscitated by a first responder.
This new synthetic drug has been linked to 44 deaths in Chicago and Pittsburgh. Although there's no confirmation of it in Western New York, emergency workers in Rochester have already seen it.
They've already seen where that some individuals need multiple doses of naloxone and to be able to wake up and breathe again. I think the first responders with the all-time record was a patient who required 13 doses of naloxone.
Health Commissioner Dr. Gail Burstein says she fears someone would need more doses of Narcan than what a first responder normally carries. She's sending a message to the county to be careful about this drug that could hit the Queen City.
We just want to encourage Erie County residents just to think twice about what they're using.
Now, there is a new product out there, another form of Narcan. It's a Narcan nasal spray already assembled. It has double the dose of the original product. Erie County officials are recommending people to use that. Reporting live, Rachel Monjovi, News 4 at 10.
Rachel, thank you.